Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Haba jubab ya Jingli UMLA ke TMC na Nongrah constituency uba Charles Pingrove. Menteri Keterangan PHU Marcus N. Marap uloong bala deban Pyntreikam ya ke Nongrah water scheme. Haka Jinglut ke basan Klur kendai pu arlak nyopulai jatengka. Ulai tu bala mang tingka ya ketiga scheme haka arpui terik ulebear arjak hat nyo. Bala deban Pyntreikam pura ha ulebear arjar arpuar. Kibayo jingmentoy na ketiga scheme kilong hadu kat arjar arpui ngut kinong song snong jong ketiga than. Hanrai hadu menta empat laban penpoi korum syayeng gibriu baya kini on sa Pyntreikam ling baga Jal Jivan Mission ya kabala deban mang haka arpu praterik nai wiang arjar arpuar.
To start question 66A, sir. Sir, Nongrah water supply scheme was completed in December 2022. B, sir, does not arise in view of A above. C, sir, the project was sanctioned on 31st 3/2017. D, sir, the targeted date of completion was in March 2022. E, sir, the amount sanctioned is 5 crore 92 lakhs 73,000 and the amount utilized till date is 5 crore 92 lakhs 73,000, sir. Oh, sir, sorry, one more, sir. Sorry, you're not asking. F. Sir, the expected population to be benefited upon completion of the project is 12,021. Sir, the scheme was sanctioned in the year 2017 before the launch of Jal Jivan Mission, and hence the provision for providing house service connections was not incorporated in the scheme. However, the household tap connections will be provided from the augmentation of Nongrah water supply scheme recently sanctioned under Jal Jivan Mission, sir.
Okay, your supplementary, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the answer by the Honourable Minister is clear that the scheme has been completed. But so far, sir, the benefits of this scheme has not trickled down to the populace. So may I know, the Honourable Minister, since the scheme cannot be implemented or the benefits cannot be given to the public because in the absence of the Jal Jivan Mission, may I know when will the Jal Jivan Mission come into place? The household tap connections.
Sir, Jal Jivan Mission for this Nongrah Nongrah has already been sanctioned on 28/11/2022 and at an estimated cost of 18 crore 87 lakh 80,000, sir, and it is at the various stages of implementation, sir.
So this implementation means, is the scheme been sanctioned or has it been tendered or has the work order been given? Because there's no work on the ground regarding the laying of the pipes for the distribution of water to the public through the benefit of the scheme, which we have already spent 6 crores. Sir. May I know?
Yes, sir. It is already tendered and the work already started at the various stages level. And then one work is already completed, that is exploratory drilling of borewell. That is already completed. The rest components of works are at various stages of beginning, sir.
Sir, the exploratory bore wells was done to augment the water that is supposed to be collected in the raw water sump to add additional supply to the village. My question is, water is now done, is there now under this previous scheme of 5-6 crores. Now we'll be distributing that water as household tap connections. When will that exercise take place, sir? And when will it be completed? Because the people want to know just that, sir.
Sir, for the benefit of honorable member and honorable house, honorable members in the house, I would like to read out the Jal Jeevan mission was sanctioned. Jal Jeevan mission for Nongrah augmentation has been sanctioned on 28/11/2022 and at an estimated cost of 18 crore 87 lakh 80,000, sir. The components of the work, sir, name of the scheme, augmentation of Nongrah WSS, name of village, habitations, Nongrah, and name of habitation, Nongrah, number 1, Nongrah, 1,137 numbers of household. Number 2, Marbo, 405 numbers of household. Number 3, Nonglum, 231 numbers of household. Number 4, Nongpeteng, 196 numbers of household. 5, Pokti, 195 numbers of household. Name of CNRD blocks, Morankneng. Number of functional household tape connections, 2,166 numbers. Present population, 10,059. Ultimate population, 14,284. Name of source, Wa Umba, within bracket Wa Kyang, and 1 number of borewell. Per capita cost, present 18,766.84. Ultimate 13,215.88. Dry weather discharge 85,160.
Sir, may I interrupt, sir? It's a long answer. Can it be laid on the table of the house?
Yes, sir. I
and
can.
One more correction. Nongrah comes under Maupat CNRD block, not Morankneng. So please also just correct that. But the table of the house will do, sir.
Sure, sir. I'll correct. Thank you.
Yes, by Livingstone. Karpan, please.
Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of PHE, what is the status of the Jal Jeevan mission at Morankneng village? As of now, it seems that the work has not started.
So the principal question is only on Nongrah. It's not about Morankneng. So I require notice, sir.
No, sir, I'm asking about Morankneng village also, the status of JGM.
Yes, sir. The principal question here is about Nongrah water supply scheme. So honorable member is asking about the Morankneng. So therefore, I would require notice for that, sir.